Alright, and we're back. Today's video is going to be a quick unboxing. Something I picked up for another really good deal on eBay. Obviously, you guys know how I am. When I find a deal, I jump on it. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be sticking with this or if I'm going to go a different route. Again, this is for the Sport Glide. Sorry if I sound a little weird too. I was pretty dang sick last week. Bad sore throat, high fever, 101 degrees, very nasally, congested. So summer colds are the worst colds, right? As the saying goes. In any case, what I picked up was, let's see if I get this out here. All right, just bear with me. Let me get this unwrapped here, and we'll see. All right, what we got was a Memphis Shades Warrior fairing for the Sport Glide. And there it is there. It's in nice shape, needs a good cleaning, but I'm not too worried about it because I am going to be painting it. I picked up from, not Auto Paint Touch Up, Paint something or other, that, you know, they get the factory colors. So I was able to pick it up for like 70 bucks shipped for the paint and the clear coat and stuff, and it's supposed to match the Twisted Cherry from the 18 perfectly. So, but we'll see. In any case, the only thing that was wrong with this, you see here, there's a crack. Let me see if I get this in the right position. You can see right there, there's a crack, and he did epoxy it already. You can see the epoxy on there. That's the only issue with it, really. So there's that, and then it's the whole setup to put it on the bike. This should be the brackets. And, you know, obviously I will have to put it together. Yeah, okay, so here's the brackets. Got left and right on the brackets. Oh. Alright. Keep everything handy because I'll wrap it up and put it back in there. This is the Allen key, which you know I already got one from doing the windshield. That's a long reach so you can get way up into to get to the things and tighten them down. And then this is clamps. These are the fork clamps, but I should not need these because the Memphis Shades windshield uses the exact same clamps. I mean, all their fairings, the Batwing fairing, this thing, the windshield, they all use the exact same clamps. So this will actually end up being an extra set of clamps that I'll have. Looks like you put yeah, these are the windshield screws or inside, yeah. So these are the actual plastic screws that you get from Memphis Shades to install the windshield. And there's extra ones there. I'm just going to throw them all right in that bag. And then the last order of business is going to be the windshield itself. Find out where the heck he's got it taped here. Did a darn good job wrapping it, and good thing he did, because there is a big hole in the box. It was actually supposed to be delivered on Friday the 31st, and it disappeared in transit. And generally when that happens, usually it means the packaging has been damaged somewhere along the way. So that's why, like, they either repair the packaging, but in this case, it does have a big hole in it, but it may very well have been delayed due to the really bad storms in the Midwest, because this did come out of Missouri. So that's the only thing I could think of. And then they initially said they weren't going to deliver it until this coming Thursday. And it actually came in just a little while ago. So I was surprised that it arrived. I wasn't expecting it. Mailman hit my door and I was like, whoa, what do you got? And he says, oh, big box for you. I was like, oh, okay. So, good job wrapping it. No two ways about that. Let's see if I can get it. The problem is getting it unwrapped. It's wrapped so well. I don't want to. Oh well, I'm gonna damage the packing material, whether I want to or not, to get it out. Come on. And obviously, I'll do how to assemble it, and then you know, I'll assemble it, show you guys how to do that in the video. Here's the windscreen for it. So it's got a little scuff on it, which I knew because, you know, it's a used item. But that I can generally try to buff out. Believe it or not, you can use baking soda. Baking soda, a little bit of water. That's how my glasses get scratched. And that's how you take the little scuffs and scratches, and it works perfect. So I don't see why my lenses are polycarbonate and the windshield's polycarbonate, so I don't see why that wouldn't work. So, in any case, that'll go there, like so, and then bolt it on, and then the only other thing I got to do, obviously, I'm going to have to get a camera mount, you know, because I run a camera, so I'll probably just pop a hole right through there and mount the GoPro mount right on there. Put it right in the middle, how I like it on, you know, on the windshield, and get a different style, so... But that's the extent of it. In any case, everything you see here, this is the complete outfit. Any of you guys with a Sport Glide, if you've priced these things out, even though this has, like I said, a small crack, a little bit of scuffs on the windshield, everything else is nice. And like I said, this is going to be scuffed, primed, paint adhesive, what the heck do they call it? It helps it to adhere to plastic. Adhesion promoter, the plastic, because I already got that sitting here too. So you spray it with that, and then I'm going to paint it to match the Twisted Cherry. $200 shipped with sales tax, state of New Jersey sales tax. So for that price, these things are going for, I want to say the cheapest I found it was $469 plus the New Jersey sales tax on eBay. That's the cheapest. So for $200 shipped, paint $70, all the materials that I need to paint it, you know, I'm going to be under $300 for it. And I think that's a really good deal. Am I going to stick with it? I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know. Because I may end up going with a Batwing on it. I don't, like I said, I'm, you know, but when I find a deal like this, I'll buy it because, let's put it this way, I think I can resell it and get my money back without a problem. You know, same as my Sundowner seat that I got for $200 a couple of weeks ago. I made the video. For $200, I couldn't go wrong. If I didn't like it, I could flip it back and get my $200 back. But I love the seat so far. I've got over 100 miles on it. Obviously couldn't ride this past week, so I didn't get more miles, but for the amount of miles that I have on it so far, I love the seat. The seat is extremely comfortable. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that I can't get an actual backrest to add with it. But it does have a deep bucket, and it does give me some lumbar support. So, with that said, that's the extent of today's video. And then I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm probably going to pre-assemble this just to test fit, see what I got to do. And then break it back down in order to paint it. So, all right, I'll see you guys in the next video, whichever that is, whenever. All righty.